1965 Ford Thunderbird here at Unique Specialty Classics. 390 underneath hood. That's paired up with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. This particular car, 2 families since new, only 4 owners within those 2 families. 390 has been rebuilt, less than 1,000 miles on it. Also a rebuilt transmission and rear end. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome grille, chrome bumper, bright work up front here. Vehicle has obviously had some restoration work done to it, repaint. There are a few minor blemishes here and there. It is black paint. You're going to get a few of those to show up. Overall, it shows well. Nice one to take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, car shows, have a little fun. If you want to take your time and look through the pictures, you can sure do that on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. That's uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. Riding on Krager 5-spoke, chrome wheels. Now, I mentioned it had power brakes. Does have Willwood rotors, as you can see up front. Take a look up and down the passenger side here. You're also going to notice disc brakes in the rear. So disc brakes, all 4 corners. Power steering and AC, so nicely equipped car. Interior has also been redone, dynamatted throughout, and then new vinyl, red and black combination interior. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look at the rear chrome, bright work. You can also see dual exhaust, like Magna Flow on the tips. You'll be able to see that exhaust on the underside, pans, frame, everything in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, let's finish up looking down the driver's side here. We're going to start it up, let you check out the engine bay, as well as take a real closer look at this interior. Again, red and black combination interior. Has an aftermarket retro sound style radio, as well as a subwoofer previous owner mentioned. As you can see, seat belts up front, and again, seats have been reupholstered in this black with red piping, red highlights, and that carries out through the car. And then I also mentioned earlier, if you caught that, has been dynamatted, so as far as the sound deadening applied underneath the carpeting, vinyl areas, I guess, if you will. All right. Also optioned with power steering. Let's go ahead and fire it up, see how this run. See the fuel gauge going up. As well as, looks like amp meter, temp gauge, and oil pressure. Appears all the gauges are working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that one to be up. There's that retro sound radio that I mentioned. And as you can see, still the original heat and AC controls. Alright, a little rumble coming out of that 390. Listen to that. That one will turn some heads with its looks and its sound. Alright, let's slip up to the front here. I want to pop this hood. So I tell you what, give me 1 second. I'm going to pause this so I pop the hood and we'll check out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.